What is first law of thermodynamics?
So the amount of heat supplied
Oh,
to the thermodynamical system
correct.
utilized for two purposes.
Okay.
First, increase in internal energy. Second, to perform work
During expansion against external
externally.
atmospheric pressure, and dq is du plus dw. For isothermal condition, what is du? That means delta u, change in internal energy, 0. At constant temperature, change in internal energy is 0. So entire heat supplied is work done. So many times we say heat supplied is doing maximum work on that. Formula is 2.303 log of V final upon V initial to the base 10, or 2.3 nRT log of P initial upon P final. So we did isobaric process, isochoric process, isothermal process. This much we did, na?
Yes.
Iso. Now adiabatic process. Adiabatic process. Adiabatic process. Adiabatic process means no exchange of heat. That means heat transfer is 0. So the process during which the process during which there is no transfer of heat from the system or to the system is called as adiabatic process. For adiabatic process, Q is 0. That means heat is neither given nor taken, so it is called, the heat is actually, it is closed system. It doesn't give nor it takes the heat from the system. So can we say, since Q is delta U plus W, so 0 equals to delta U plus W, that means delta U is minus of W in adiabatic process. So if the internal energy is positive, work done be negative and vice versa. Please copy to this.
Done, sir.
Now, two wordings we have to understand. Delta U is negative means what? See, when you compress the gas, what do you say? Temperature will increase or decrease when you compress? Compressor increase.
Yes, sir.
तो हमको ही मालूम है वर्क निगेटिव होएगा ना, कॉम्प्रेस मतलब वॉल्यूम कम। तो ये भी स्टेटमेंट वही बोल रहे हैं हम लोग को। So I can say when system expands adiabatically, then W is positive and change in internal energy is negative. मतलब टेम्परेचर कम हो जाता है, बराबर?
Yes, sir.
चेंज इज नेगेटिव, उसका मतलब द इंटरनल एनर्जी डिक्रीजेस. So they can ask you this in theoretical MCQs. Change in internal energy decreases when system is compressed adiabatically. Compressed adiabatically, then work is negative and delta U is positive. That is, the internal energy increases. Right. Then we are using thermodynamics first law to this adiabatic process. Completed, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. PV diagram for adiabatic process. PV diagram for adiabatic process. P, P. In this case, there is volume is decreasing, so there is drastic change in the pressure. So suppose A, drastically it will decrease to point. This is V final, V initial, same way initial pressure, final pressure. Draw diagram. Drawn.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, उसका नीचे ही लिखना है आपको एक फॉर्मूला फॉर adiabatic process. See, if it is isothermal process, what is PV? Constant or variable?
The constant, sir.
So can I say PV equal to constant if process is isothermal?
Yes, sir.
See, general में PV is nRT, but nR तो constant होता है given mass. If temperature is also constant, then we say that PV is constant at constant temperature, which is isothermal process. In note we will write by ideal gas equation PV equal to nRT for isothermal process. PV equals to constant. This is also called Boyle's law, if you remember. For adiabatic process, it is PV raised to gamma equals to constant. So when suddenly compressed or suddenly expanded, no exchange of heat, then PV raised to gamma is constant. Now wherever you see V, can you write there nRT upon P by ideal gas equation? See, since I can write V as nRT upon P, so P in place of V, it is nRT upon P raised to gamma will be constant. So I can say P raised to, this gamma goes up, it will become minus gamma. P raised to 1 minus gamma, P raised to gamma is constant. This again adiabatic wala hai. So PV raised to gamma constant or P raised to 1 minus gamma, T raised to gamma constant. So first P raised to 1, V raised to gamma. Then it is P 1 raised to gamma, 1 minus gamma, T raised to constant. Fifth one. Again, see, I remember only this. When other required, I convert. Again, PV is nRT. So wherever I see P, I can write there nRT upon V. So my equation will become P is nRT upon V into V raised to gamma. So it will equals to constant. So it is T V raised to gamma minus 1 equals to constant. So either PV raised to gamma constant or P raised to 1 minus gamma, T raised to gamma constant or PV raised to gamma minus 1 constant. Just write this much. This is very important adiabatic related sums. Whenever suddenly compressed or suddenly expanded, then always use adiabatic relations.
Done, sir.
Okay. Next we are doing how we can apply thermodynamics first law to this adiabatic condition. Just clearing this. Apply first law of thermodynamics to adiabatic process. First law of thermodynamics to adiabatic process. First, an adiabatic system is thermally isolated. Thermally isolated means there are three systems: closed, open, and I did last class closed system, open system, isolated system. So adiabatic system is thermally isolated from its environment. That means surrounding. Neither it gives nor it takes, like our thermos flask. Environment. Thus, exchange of heat in bracket Q equals to 0. Q equal to 0. Now we have to find what is change in internal energy so that we get opposite is work done. Change in internal energy, we know that it is CV into delta T. This is formula for change in internally for energy for 1 mole. Please copy this much. Change in internal energy formula is NCVDT. For 1 mole, it is CVDT. Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा सा dangerous derivation है. The work done is W equals to integral of P dV, V initial to V final. Therefore, W equals to hello, hello, hello,
Yes, sir.
PV raised to gamma is constant na, for adiabatic process. So can I say P is nothing but C upon V raised to gamma? C is constant, huh? ये समझ गया? PV raised to gamma constant, constant को नाम C दिया, so therefore P is C upon V raised to gamma dV. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Now what is integration of V raised to gamma goes up? It will become minus gamma dV from V initial to V final. Integration means you have to increase the power by 1 and divide by same power, correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So this will be C. I'm bringing this 1 minus gamma outside. This will be nothing but, इसको reciprocal किया तो ये minus होएगा या plus. So 1 upon V, gamma will become plus and 1 will become minus from V initial to V final. Copy till this. If done, then say. Okay. So C upon 1 minus gamma is 1 upon V raised to gamma minus 1. Therefore, we can say W equals to C upon 1 minus gamma into 1 upon V final gamma minus 1 minus of V initial gamma minus 1. But P V raised to gamma is constant, that is P initial V initial gamma is P final V final gamma. So wherever I see C, I can write there, C I'm taking inside. So 1 upon 1 minus gamma. In place of C, you can write P final V final raised to gamma. In place of C here, I can write P initial V initial raised to gamma upon V final gamma minus 1 V initial gamma minus 1. So 1 upon 1 minus gamma into, this goes up, so gamma and gamma will get cancelled. V final, P final, V final you will get minus. This goes up, gamma and minus gamma cancel. P initial, V initial you will get. So this is one formula for work done in case of adiabatic condition. Just copy till this, then we are writing one more line. Also we can write this as, see, PV is nothing but nRT. So we can say 1 upon 1 minus gamma nR T final minus nR T initial. So this is equals to 1 upon 1 minus gamma nR constant into T final minus T initial. So for adiabatic process, work done is 1 upon 1 minus gamma P final V final minus P initial V initial, or work done equals to 1 upon 1 minus gamma into nR T final minus T initial. Copy till this. Work done, we are getting two formula, 1 upon gamma 1 minus gamma P final V final minus initial PV, or in terms of T, 1 upon 1 minus gamma nR P final minus T initial.
Done, sir.
So in adiabatic process, internal energy is nothing but CV delta T, and work done, we got either 1 upon 1 minus gamma in terms of difference in product of PV, or nR 1 upon nR upon 1 minus gamma T final minus T initial. Now, last process is called cyclic process. What do you mean by cyclic first? Meaning of word cyclic? Closed क्या open?
Sir, definitely open because it will repeat itself.
नहीं, साइकिल है मतलब जो चीज रिपीट होता है ना, मतलब ए से स्टार्ट होके बी पे गया फिर से ए पे आया तो साइकिल कंप्लीट हुआ ना,
Sir.
तो क्लोज्ड होता है वो साइकिल, ओपन नहीं।
Okay, sir.
ओपन होगा तो आएगा कैसा ना रिटर्न।
हाँ, sir.
So cyclic process means actually closed process. Cyclic process. A thermodynamic process. A thermodynamic process that returns thermodynamic process that returns a system to its initial state is called as cyclic process. So for cyclic process, change in internal energy equal to zero because it comes back to the same process. So I can say therefore Q is work done because delta U is zero. So graph will be as shown. Just copy this much, then I'm clearing to draw the graph. So always in cyclic process, remember there is no change in temperature. It remains same because it is body coming back to the original position. Okay, done. Yes, done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Graph of cyclic process. Suppose this is point A, this is point B. Gas goes A to B, comes back from B to A. Here initial is Vi, at B, B final, and this is P initial and P final. Draw this diagram. This is cyclic process. PV diagram of cyclic process. Okay. See, always area under PV graph is called work done. So for this cyclic process, which is anti-clockwise, A to B, volume is increasing. So this area under graph is this, which is positive work done. But if you see the other one, yeah, B to A, volume is decreasing. So area under this graph will be maximum but negative. Like from B to A, for example, if I take -10 and A to B is +8, so answer will be negative. So whenever it is anti-clockwise, work done is taken negative in cyclic process. Clockwise, then it is taken as positive in cyclic process. So just write note. First, area under PV graph is called as work done. Second, in cyclic process, area enclosed. एरिया enclosed means ये आया, yes इसको बोलते एरिया enclosed, इतना पार्ट को एरिया enclosed by graph is work done if cyclic process is clockwise, then work done is positive. Or if cyclic process is anti-clockwise, then work done is negative. Very important for MCQ. Clockwise work done positive, anti-clockwise work done negative. दोनों रहेगा तो जो लार्जर रहेगा उसका डायरेक्शन. लाइक ये एनक्लोज्ड है, ये क्लियर दिख रहा है, एक वर्क डन ज्यादा होएगा. अगर एक क्लॉकवाइज है तो पॉजिटिव इज ग्रेटर देन एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, सो आंसर विल बी पॉजिटिव. Just write this 4 note, important for MCQ. Yes, done full.
Yes,
Yes.
Then take click for free expansion. Free expansion means what? से फ्री मतलब किसी का प्रेशर है क्या?
no, sir.
मतलब टायर बस्ट हो गया तो कोई प्रेशर है, खाली एटमॉस्फेरिक ही है ना,
Yes, sir.
उसको ही फ्री एक्सपांशन बोलते हैं. बलून बस्ट हो गया तो कोई प्रेशर नहीं, खाली एटमॉस्फेयर है, उसको फ्री बोलते हैं. So the free expansion means it is nothing but sudden change. अचानक बस्ट हो गया कोई चीज. These expansions are adiabatic. मतलब टाइम ही नहीं मिलता है. आप गाड़ी चला रहे, अचानक टायर बस्ट हो गया तो टाइम बोल के थोड़ी बोला मैं अभी बस्ट होने वाला हूं. दिस इज सडन. So these expansions are adiabatic expansion. And there is no exchange of heat between a system and surroundings. So those expansion which is adiabatic, there is no exchange of heat with system and surrounding, is called as actually free expansion. So therefore here Q is nothing but 0. Also because it is sudden, adiabatic, there is no work done. ना एक्सपांड होता है ना कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, बीच में ही फट जाता है. So there is no work done in free expansion. W is 0. So Q is change in internal energy plus work done. So 0 equals to delta U plus 0. That means delta U is also 0. So there is no change in temperature, no exchange of heat, no work done. That is free expansion. Right. This completes our actual syllabus which is given for this year. Next part is heat engine, refrigerator, which is deleted from this year's syllabus. But in while doing MCQ, I will explain so that you get idea of what is second law of thermodynamics utilized in heat engine as well as in refrigerator. But as per syllabus, we have completed everything. This is bit theoretical chapter, so just revise, easy to score. Area under PV graph is called as work done, that you have to remember. Clockwise cyclic process, then positive work done. Anti-clockwise, then negative work done. Yeah, connect. Remove this now.
Yes, sir.
So that's all for today. Friday I will do MCQ based